To read a web page aloud in the Samsung Internet app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, open Samsung Internet app and then open a web page. Tap the three horizontal line icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and then tap read aloud to start reading the web page aloud.
Strasbourg. This article is about the city.
Here you are provided with the playback control. You can tap previous icon to read the previous sentence or paragraph. Tap play or pause icon to continue or pause the reading, or tap next icon to read the next sentence or paragraph. Tap close button to close the playback control and stop your phone from reading the webpack aloud. With this feature, you can easily have web pages read aloud, making it convenient to listen to articles, blogs, or any online content hands-free. It is perfect for multitasking or giving your eyes a break while staying informed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.